Now the given question is find pi of d square plus 7 into d dash plus 12 into d dash square of z is equal to e power 2x plus 3y. So what is this question and what is about this? This is about higher order partial dE. So what is the difference between higher order partial dE and higher order ordinary dE? Ordinary dE means we are differentiating with respect to a single variable, but in partial dE we are differentiating with any number of variables. Now higher order differential equation means we are having different types, that is e power 2x, cos x, some sin x, x power m, something. That is all about the ordinary dE. Now here we are having e power 2x plus 3y, and another thing is we are having d dash. Now what is the difference between d and d dash? This is in the form of, now this is higher order partial dE. Now how to solve this? And again one thing, what is the general solution? General solution is CF plus PI. CF means complementary function and PI is particular integral. Now here the question is only about PI. Now how to solve this question? This is first we have to write, this is in the form of f of d comma d dash of z is equal to f of x comma y. Now if we are asked to find out CF, we have to find the auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation now? So auxiliary equation is, we will replace a d with m and d dash with 1. That is f of m comma 1 is equal to 0. But here only pi. So f of d comma d dash of z is equal to. Now what is f of d comma d dash? F of d comma d dash is d square plus 7 into d dash plus 12 into d dash square. Now what is f comma y? F of x comma y, that is e power 2x plus 3y. Now to find the solution for this, what we have to do is, what is pi? Formula is pi is equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash of f of x comma y. So this is 1 by d square plus 7 into d dash plus 12 into d dash square of e power 2x plus 3y. So how to solve this is, just replace d with coefficient of x and d dash with coefficient of y. So coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 3. Now what we have to replace is d with 2 and d dash with 3. Now what does it happen now? 1 by 2 square plus 7 into 2 into 3 plus 12 into 3 square e power 2x plus 3y. But what we have to observe is, the denominator should not be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we have to use the formula, another formula. And here we should see that the denominator is not equal to 0. And here what does it happen now? This is 4 plus 42 plus 12 into 9 e power 2x plus 3y. So the whole thing is 1 by 154 e power 2x plus 3y. How we get 154 by simplifying this. So this is 1 by 154 e power 2x plus 3y. Now what is general solution? Therefore general solution is only pi. So 1 by 154 e power 2x plus 3y. So this is, if the denominator is, that is if 154 is in the place of 154 if it is 0 or it's a negative, then this is wrong. Then what we have to do? We have to apply some formula. Thank you.